Good morning, students. Today we will begin chapter 2. Chapter 2, that is fortune and wisdom. Fortune means, what do you mean by fortune? Fortune means what we have, and wisdom means those who have intelligence. So one day the goddess of fortune met the goddess of wisdom. So one day what happened? The goddess of fortune met the goddess of wisdom. Goddess means God, that is Lady God. So an argument started between them. Argument means fight. So they fought one day between themselves. So the goddess of fortune said, I am the greatest. So first of all, the goddess of fortune said that he is the greatest or she is the greatest. So whoever I smile at prospers and gets everything of this world. So the goddess of wisdom or goddess of fortune told that she is the greatest of all the gods. Then he says, when she smiles or when he smiles, then the people, what happen? They become rich and gets whatever they want. But the goddess of wisdom claimed, without intelligence, all go to waste. I am just success in life. So the goddess of wisdom said, when the goddess of fortune said that she is the greatest, then the goddess of fortune wisdom also said that without intelligence means जो दिमाग का जब किसी का दिमाग नहीं होता है तब क्या होता है all goes waste, everything become waste. So I am must for success in life. So to have success in life we have to get the intelligence. So while they were arguing, a poor farmer on the earth was weeping on his poverty. So what happened? When they were arguing, the wisdom of goddess and the good wisdom of fortune, when they were arguing, then what happened? They saw a poor man. Weeping means he was crying. So he was crying that he was very poor. He has nothing to eat or nothing to have in his house. So he was weeping all day. He was sitting outside his hut. The moment the goddess of fortune saw him, she said, "Look there, poor fellow, I will smile at him and make him happy. He will get rid of his troubles." The goddess of wisdom said, "Without me, how will it be possible?" So what happened? When they saw the poor farmer crying, then the goddess of fortune told the goddess of wisdom that if I smile, if I give him, then he will become, what happened? The poor farmer will be very happy. So he will get rid of all his troubles. So what happened? When he gets everything, then all his troubles will be away. Then the goddess of wisdom said, "Without me, how will it be possible?" So the goddess of wisdom told that without him, nothing is possible. So the goddess of wisdom answered, "Only time will prove my words. Therefore wait and watch." So the goddess of fortune told that let the time come. When the time comes, he will prove that he is the greatest. The goddess of fortune used her magic wand, and in no time the farmer's crop plant of millet had ears turned into real diamonds, rubies and pearls. She felt very happy now, but the farmer began to wail, "I am totally ruined. My plant have grown these worthless pieces of glass instead of food grains. Nobody will buy this." So when the goddess of fortune started her walks, so the goddess of fortune uses magic wand. जो मैजिक उसका वो जो है उसको मैजिक यूज करके उसका क्रॉप्स लोग को क्या बनाया? रेल डायमंड्स, rubies and pearls. Then the goddess of fortune felt that the poor farmer will be very happy because he will become rich. So when they turned the crops of millet into real diamonds, rubies and pearls, then the farmer became more unhappy because he thought that no one will buy his crops. Just then the king and his minister passed by that side. They were amazed to see this. They got down from their horses and, appreciating the plants, the minister said, "Would you mind if I take one plant of yours?" So when the goddess of fortune turned the crops into real diamonds, rubies and pearls, then what happened? Then the king and his ministers were passing by that side, they were amazed. They were so happy. They were amazed, means they were surprised to see the crops. Instead of crops, they saw real diamonds. So they got down from their horses and they appreciating the plant. The minister, would you mind if I take one plant of yours? So the minister told the farmer that he will take one of the plants of his. The farmer immediately gave a handful plants of him and said, "You can take this. These are worthless pebbles for me." So pebbles means stone. So when the minister told that he will take one plant, the farmer happily gave the plants to the minister and said that these are useless stones for him. Hearing that, the king said, "He is very humble, polite and generous. I think I have found a suitable groom for my princess." When the king heard the farmer say this, then he thought that the farmer was very rich and he was so generous, and he thought that he found a real suitable groom. Groom means husband for his daughter. Okay. Stop. Thank you.